What's up, my good cousin? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jess here on Jess4TV, and today I am going to be putting together the bartending kits for my virtual bartending gig. And if you have not seen my Friday errands and bartending haul, then you should definitely check out that video to see all the alcohol that I purchased. However, in this video I had a few more things that I needed to get to basically make these kits complete and so that I can close them up and get them out. So if you want to see what I chose to put in my bartending kits to make it lit for my virtual bartending gig, then you should definitely stay tuned, cousin.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
So in true Jess4TV fashion, y'all already know where I went to get the remaining items for these bartending kits, the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree basically had everything that I needed, everything that I was looking for to basically dust off these kits so that I can close them up and get them out. So for starters, I started with the packing stuff, so the bottles don't clink and whatnot. Then I found my straws, and moving on, I was also able to find my mixers. And last but not least, the coup de grace, what was going to make the kit, was the mason jars. And I was able to get everything for $1, of course. So while I did spend a little pretty penny on the alcohol, getting the remaining things that I needed for the kit actually wasn't that bad. So this is everything that I needed from the Dollar Tree, and we lit. So this is just a little overview of everything to include the alcohol. Get it? I also got some ribbon, some napkins, I needed some tape, and here are my pink lemonade mixers. I also needed some Sprites, and these are the boxes that I got from Target. So overall, I purchased 13 kits, to include all the items that needed to go into each, because I knew that there would be about 10, but there ended up being 11, I believe. And then I needed, a kit for myself to actually show them how to make the drinks. I also got some rock candy. As you saw, I got that from Amazon. The ribbon came from Walmart. The napkins came from the Dollar Tree, and Heyyy business cards. I also wanted to make sure I had some tape just to make sure these boxes were secure, because they were kind of heavy with, all the liquid and bottles that were put therein. So let's get these kits popping, y'all. So I showed you an overview of everything together, and here is the individual items that will be going into each individual kit. So one kit basically equals 2 drinks, hence the 2 mason jars. And definitely make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so that you can see the actual bartending event video that will actually be out soon, so you can see how I mix these drinks together. So I'm just going to start by putting these boxes together. I definitely had to put together 12 boxes, and after about 2 or 3, I definitely got the hang of it. So in the box kit, you got a lid and you got the box itself. So just constructing the box, you basically just had to piece it together kind of like a puzzle and just stick the flaps into the designated slits. Alright, one down, and now that I have the lid together and the complete box together, I also chose to just reinforce these boxes with some tape, just because, as I said before, these boxes did get kind of heavy just because of all the bottles and the liquid that was therein. So I would prefer people's liquor to be in their cups and not on the floor. Alright, so here is a view of the complete reinforced box that I will be putting everything in. So it's a pretty secure box. Come through Target with your dollar boxes. Alright, so now I'm going to just continue to put the remainder of these boxes together just to get them out of the way, so then I can get my little assembly line going and get everything popping that is supposed to be in these kits. Alright, now that I have all the kits together, it is time to throw on some gloves and wrap these straws in these napkins. And based upon the color, somebody comment down below and tell me who this gig is tailored for. So I'm not really sure what I was going for here. I just knew that I didn't want the straws just laid out all willy-nilly throughout the box. So I just kind of wrapped them in the napkin, put some tape on it, and called it a day. So finishing up these remaining wrapped straws, it is now finally time to put these kits together. So I'm going to start by putting in the little packing cushion shredded stuff, and then I'm going to add the pink lemonade, add a mason jar, and just kind of play with this just to see how everything fits. It definitely took a couple of tries just to get everything to fit in here right, and basically just look aesthetically pleasing, I guess. I don't know, just not look like it was all thrown in there. And here is my mistake. One person got 2 vodkas. Like, it wouldn't be Jess4TV if I didn't fuck something up. Alright, and these are basically the completed kits with everything in it. I think they definitely came out pretty good. I definitely think I had all the ingredients that I needed, you know what I'm saying, to make a sufficient drink. So again, make sure you stay tuned so you can see that event video. And I'm basically just going to throw these tops on here. And now it is time to wrap each box in ribbon just to give it a little bit more pizzazz, a little jazz. It's looking a little flat with just that brown box. Oh, tying ribbon is not easy. Like, it does not cooperate. It is not like a shoestring. Shoestrings are now my best friend. Hey, Aglet. So I have completed all the boxes, tied them with the ribbon, put everything that needed to go into each kit, into each box. And I think these boxes came out super dope, super cute. I think they have everything in them that you need to make 2 drinks and to host a bartending gig. So again, this was everything. This was the entire haul. This was everything that went into each individual kit, and these are the completed boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch me put these kits together, and I mean, stay tuned for the turn up because the event was lit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.